the Auto Sleeper Symbol Plus. It's quite a mouthful. 2020, manual box, 6 meters. 2 belt, 2 berth, and the inside setup that you're about to see, we've got it right now and it's here at IH Motorhomes. So take a look what we've got inside this Symbol Plus here. I've not seen this setup before and I can see why they've done it. Long sofa setup so we can sit and enjoy whatever we're parked across from. But this single seat here will then make into another single bed. So 2 single beds, longitudinal. Alternatively, make this into a single bed and pull this together for one great big double bed right next to this door. I can imagine just waking up and enjoying whatever view, whatever beach you're alongside. Really interesting setup. We've got the 2 captain's chairs on the swivels. As you can see, it's the manual box. Usual things, we've got cruise control on this, full complement with buttons on the steering wheel for our connectivity with the phone. Reversing camera, so we can always see what's going on behind us, because in this setup, you'll see in a moment, we've got that rear kitchen, rear bathroom. This space and layout just gives you exactly that. It gives you space. Good cupboards, good amount of storage, and this is only a 6 meter van. That's all of this on a 6 meter Peugeot. It's an impressive amount and an impressive setup. Stood at the back of this Symbol Plus. Guys, this is, again, still cool. Rear kitchen setup. Everything's in its place and where it needs to be. And on the bathroom, nice enclosed shower room with a cassette loo. We've got our vanity unit synonymous with these guys at Auto Sleeper. They want to make sure we're looking good inside the van as well as the van looking good on the outside. Everything that I need is in here. Fridge, oven, microwave up top, nice little lighting detail, but just a setup you don't often get to see, this sort of complete role reversal. I know we do front lounges here at IH, but the Auto Sleeper, I love this setup. Winterized for the tank, so the freshwater tank's got a heating element, so we can go all seasons in this one as well. Have a little look at this advert. Give us a little call. We can really talk you through what's going on in this one, because I don't think a lot of you guys, we've certainly not seen a lot of these. It's here and it's right now at IH Motorhomes.